Hey guys, and welcome to this Wednesday, not April, we're in May already. May 6th, 2020 already. A couple of announcements. I've very thoroughly enjoyed looking at your inventions, and you guys have some really, really sharp minds and innovative minds. I honestly look forward to um, potentially seeing some of your inventions in the future. They look really, really great. So today we're continuing our invention process. On Monday we came up with an idea. On Tuesday we illustrated. Today we're going to watch a video to continue looking into the process of invention. We're going to watch a video of a kid who invented something, and this kid will show you what steps they went through. All right. So I'm going to send this video along with I'm going to send the video that you're about to watch along with this video. So at this point, press pause and then watch the other video and then come back to me and press play. All right, press pause now. All right, guys, thank you for coming back. Hopefully after watching the video, you've been inspired to continue working on your invention. Now, here's the thing about your invention. I need you to start working on it. All right, so let's say if you have the tools to do it at home, I want you to create a model of your invention at home. By creating a model, like trying to make it out of cardboard, out of wood, out of whatever you have at home, if you can. Now, let's say that you just can't because either it's a lot of technology that you really don't have, or you just don't have help at home, whatever the case is. If you can't create it, then I'm going to need you to start working on two things. A top, a front, and a side view of your invention, kind of like you see from this plane. There's a front view, there's a side view, and there's a top view. And I also need you to show me a picture of a person using your invention and what that would look like, kind of like you see the picture on the right over here. All right, so I'm going to need two pictures. Now, you don't have to take a picture and send it to me today. You're going to work on this today and tomorrow. This you're not going to send to me until Friday. Does that make sense? So you should not be sending anything to me today. All right, today you should just start working on it. But the drawings have to be really nice. They cannot be really crummy drawings, and they have to be colorful. All right? Those two things are the big things that I'm asking if you're going to do the drawings. If you create the model, make sure you also take a picture of it, but don't send anything to me until Friday. Does that make sense? All right, guys, thank you for watching, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your Wednesday.